I was sent this shower dispenser by the brand to show you how it installs.
Once you cleaned your wall here, I recommend using some kind of like alcohol or anything to just really take residue off. Peel off backing. I use my grout lines here, and I'm gonna put it up right there along that line. You see that's kind of sealing. Get like a spatula or a squeegee to really press on it. There's these little tiny screws. It even comes with a little screwdriver. I would say don't use a drill because this would probably strip out. And I love these stickers. These are so strong. I am just impressed. It also has drywall hardware. The screwdriver that comes with this is pretty small. I was having a little wobbling. Look at that. Not a single rattle. So I just had a little bit bigger screwdriver. Phillips head was not getting the screws to go in all the way. Pretty impressive though. And then technically I should wait 24 hours to fill it. I like that these all have caps that have a lock on them. So, and there's a key. There's actually 3 keys. So then you just slide these in place and hook them in. You have to actually take the cap off, pinch the back of it off to get it off. You can lock them if you want, have your lock, and now you can't get the lid off. Body wash. So you could do your own stickers for sure. Or use the ones that they sent.